STA, Static Timing Analysis. STA is like a teacher checking the schedule of a student's day to make sure they are following a fixed timetable and arriving at each class on time. Example, timetable check. Imagine a student, Sarah, has a timetable with fixed class schedules. The school teacher, STA, wants to ensure that Sarah reaches each class at the correct time and doesn't get late. The teacher checks the timetable, calculates the time it takes Sarah to move between classes, and confirms that she reaches each class on time. In VLSI, similarly, in VLSI design, STA analyzes the timing of digital circuits based on fixed paths to ensure that signals arrive at their destinations before the next clock cycle. It checks that the circuit operates within specified timing constraints. DTA, Dynamic Timing Analysis. DTA is like a coach watching a relay race, where the baton is passed from one runner to another, and the coach measures the time it takes for each handoff. Example, relay race. Imagine a relay race where a team of runners passes a baton from one runner to the next. The coach, DTA, focuses on measuring the time it takes for each handoff. The coach wants to make sure that the baton is smoothly passed and the team's overall time is optimized. In VLSI design, DTA focuses on analyzing the timing of signals that change dynamically during the circuit's operation. It looks at how signals propagate and change in response to inputs, making sure the changes are accurate and occur within acceptable time frames. Summary: STA ensures that the timing of signals follows a fixed schedule, like checking a student's timetable. DTA analyzes the timing of signals that change dynamically, like measuring the handoff time in a relay race.